Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. A production of the Salesian Bulletin and of the two provinces of Argentina, North and South, written and directed by Father Ricardo Campoli, member of the Social Communication Sector of the Salesian Congregation, was the winning film at the 15th edition of the International Festival of Catholic Filmography, Memorable Dictu, in the short film category. The award ceremony took place on the evening of Thursday, 15 February 2024 in the fine setting of Palazzo Chesi in Rome, near the Vatican. I have no words to thank you for this recognition, so I start with the words that say it all. Thank you very much. I always think that at festivals, a certain audiovisual project or a nominated film does not win, but cinema wins, art wins, culture wins, were the first words spoken by Father Campoli after receiving the award. A truly historic moment for the 11th group of the Salesian family, Caritas Sisters of Jesus, was the first profession of their first African members in Namungongo Formation House in Kampala, Uganda last February 2nd, 2024. The first religious profession was held at the Novitiate House, Kira Mulawa, Kampala, in the presence of Mother General, Sister Emiliana Park, and one General Councillor member, Sister Dafrosa. The Eucharistic celebration was presided over by the SDB Provincial Father Peter Celestin Nguboka. The children of the Learn to Live School of Skills, Skill School Learn for Life, one of the most significant educational projects of the Salesian Institute of Cape Town, gave life on the occasion of Mardi Gras at a lively carnival-themed concert dedicated to cheering up the guests of the Neighborhood Old Age Homes NOAH retirement home in the same city. The event, held at the school headquarters, served to celebrate the great progress made by the Learn to Live Project Choir and the Miramba Band, fascinating the elderly patients with their excellent performances. Attendees witnessed a morning filled with joyful melodies and lively rhythms, which highlighted the talents and dedication of the young artists. On 8th February, during the Salesian Provincial Conference of South Asia, SPCSA in English, the book Charism and Vision, Founding Realities and Contemporary Challenges was presented. The ceremony was presided over by Father Biju Michael, Counselor for the South Asia region, in the presence of many Salesians. The first copy of the book was given to Father Paul Olpindro Linkot, Inspector of Shillong, and other inspectors. The book is the result of the hard work carried out by two Salesians, Father Joseph Palam Thatel and Father Joseph Pulin Tanath of the Shillong province, and presents its readers with a collection of the beautiful and stimulating articles presented at the South Asian Seminar on the Evangelizing Mission in the Heart of the Salesian Charism. During his visit to the St. John Bosco province of the Antilles, ANT, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians, took the opportunity to meet with the Dominican Federation of Past Pupils of Don Bosco, FED Don Bosco. The meeting took place in the context of the meeting with the presidents of the local unions of past pupils, members of the National Council and the provincial delegate, Father Juan Linares, in the presence of Father Jos Pastor Ramirez, ANT Provincial. In addition to encouraging the pastoral work of the past pupils, Cardinal Fernandez Artime reminded those present not to complain and not to be afraid, and to commit themselves with charity and patience to realize their dreams. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.